Hi, I just came to see Project Hail Mary, and this is my opinion. You have to see that. Why? Because it's one of the best sci fi movies I've seen in the last few years, or at least in the last 10 years. But not only that, that what movies are really made of in the first place to entertain us, to show us a original story, and not only that, the Ryan Gosling performance is very good, one of his best. But on top of that, the visual effects are remarkable, and the script is excellent. Don't waste time. Run to the movies now and watch it. Thank you.